Each employee in LS Central for Pharmacies needs to be defined as a pharmacy user. In this exercise, we will change the name of a particular employee. On the role center, we see that the active user logged on is user 121, Kolgan, and he is actually working in store 15. On the role center, I open the setup menu and find the pharmacy user. I open the user card of John Kolgan and I change his name to Nina Ninja. The short name that's, for example, shown on the role center and in various reports, etc., we set to Ninja. We can also see that because the same user also exists as poor staff, the name of the poor staff has automatically been changed to Nina Ninja. Here, the active user is still shown as John Colgan, but if I press login and refresh, the active user has been changed from John to Ninja.